So my name is Diego. I'm originally from Brazil. I have 35 years old and I love to travel. So yeah, and then I decided to come to India to explore a little bit more this country. Since I'm started with looking for some hair transplants around here, there was one of the good options that I see a good reviews here, and then I start to check prices and how the treatment could be taken. I have like in my father's side, I always have like this lack of hair. So my hair starts falling. That was like when I was around 22 years old. Yes, and by the 34, which is the stage that I am in right now, so I could see a big difference from that time. I thought that it was a good moment to do that. Once because as I'm reading about the hair transplant, I've noticed that as soon as you do is better because your roots is still strong. So, and then I started my research to see like where's the place that I could do. To be honest, it was easier than I thought. The procedure took like around 10 hours completely, like since that I got to the place. That was pretty good. So regardless to the pain, I didn't feel much pain. So you can feel at the beginning of the procedure, you can feel a little bit of the needle in there, but nothing extremely. So that was quite good to handle. A day after, that was very normal. I couldn't feel any pain at all. So I did take the medicines anyway, but to be honest, I didn't feel any pain at all. Just a little bit sensitive areas, but no pain at all. 100% I would recommend here. They are so good with me, all the staffs, to be honest. Since I got here, I all the time was received with a very good welcome. All the time, like a coffee, tea, some food, some treats. I'm pretty well treated here. It's just like that's a kind of a dream come true. I doing this procedure here. I never thought that it would be easier, and it was. I highly recommend. I don't know the results because I'm just freshly done that. It has been just 3 days. But I can feel like in the mirror that's a big thing for me. So it's a big dream come true, to be honest.